Take the tool, line up the two edges with the notches and the fitting, slide it in, turn it counterclockwise and pull lightly as you turn, and the entire tube will top out. You can set it aside. For reassembly, you have 3 tabs in the fitting, and then 3 tabs on the sensor. So you line up the 3 tabs in the fitting, stick it in, just push it, and then turn clockwise about 1/8 of a turn until it stops, and then pull the tool back out. And now it is reinstalled.